In this tutorial in Planning Center Online, we're going to show you how to confirm when you get an email from Planning Center whether or not you can participate in a service that you volunteered for. These emails are sent usually to people who are perhaps vocalists or technicians in the worship area, but increasingly churches are using this for all kinds of roles in the church. You may be a nursery worker, you may be an usher, you may be a greeter. You can get an email from Planning Center asking you to confirm your participation in an upcoming service. So we'd like to show you a little bit about what you'll see and how to respond. Your email will look something like this. Take note of the green bar at the top that simply says Planning Center Services, and then it will use your name. It may be your first name or full name, depending on how the email was generated. And it will be a reminder that you've been placed on the schedule for a certain date or dates. And then the date is echoed down here in the bold print, and then it will give in the gray bar the role that you volunteered for. It may be, again, usher, it may be a video technician, it may be virtually anything in the church. Then on the lower left, it will have the time repeated as well as the date. And then you have the option with the mouse of clicking on either the Accept green button at the bottom or the Decline button. And if you click on either one of these, it will open up in your browser Planning Center Online. It will thank you if you click the Accept button, and then you can close the window. Or if you decline, it will give you an option of explaining why that doesn't work for you, and then confirming the fact that you decline. And then it will send a response back to the volunteers in your church or the staff who do the managing of that particular service, so they will know who is available and who is not. So it serves as a reminder to you and a confirmation back to the people organizing the planning in your church. And we encourage you to go ahead and make sure that they get the feedback from you so that they can make plans accordingly. That's as simple as it is to respond to that email, and we thank you for participating in this process of learning how to get that feedback to those in your church so that your ministry can move forward as volunteers work together for the glory of Christ.